NBC5 responds, if it has ever happened to you, seeing your car on the back of a tow truck driving away is probably one of the worst feelings in the world. But for one Crystal Lake woman, it was the massive bill after her car got towed that hurt the most.
There are state protections in place to avoid this exact situation, but only in certain zip codes. NBC5 responds PJ Randhawa sat down with the head of the state agency that regulates towing companies to find out why more isn't being done to protect Illinois drivers from unfair towing.
After a brutal cold snap this past January, all Jill McGarrah wanted was to get out of her parking spot.
I went out to start my car and pull out, and I was frozen solid. I couldn't budge it.
She needed to check on her elderly mother in Algonquin. Desperate to get moving, she said she called Speedy G Towing.
They came, towed me out just a few feet, and that was it. I get in my car, and he says, "Well, that's $346." And I'm like, really?
Jill says she wasn't given the price until after her car was towed. She paid the fee and later called Speedy G to address the price with a manager.
They never returned my call, of course, so that I was unhappy with it.
Her next call was to NBC5 Responds.
Prior to the tow, by Illinois statute and law, they have to make sure that they provide a pre-tow disclosure before the car is hooked.
Ruben Ramirez is the chief of police for the Illinois Commerce Commission. He says towing companies must give you information like the business name and address and a list of the price for all services prior to hooking your car.
But hold on, the ICC tells us that rule only applies to these 5 counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Will, Kane, and Winnebago. And Jill, she lives 7 miles outside of Cook County in Crystal Lake, so she's not protected by the pre-tow disclosure law. Chief Ramirez says only a legislative change can fix that.
We've been concentrating in the Chicago area on safety. I think that if the laws would change, I think that would help out. It'd help out the consumer a lot.
But as things stand, data from the ICC shows they've fined Speedy G thousands of dollars for this very same issue across the state. Since 2019, the company has racked up close to $16,000 in fines for not giving consumers a pre-tow disclosure. ICC data shows to date they've only paid about 20% of what they owe.
Is it time to admit that maybe this system isn't working?
I really think that enforcement-wise, we're doing what we have to do and what we can do.
NBC5 Response found 51 consumers have filed complaints about Speedy G since 2019. But more than half of those complaints were closed because the ICC didn't have jurisdiction. They found no violation, or they sided with the tow company. 15 of those 51 complaints resulted in a citation, and only 2 ICC complaints in the past 5 years have resulted in a refund for consumers.
I think they just really take advantage of people, and especially people that are, in kind of a desperate situation.
As for Jill, NBC5 Responds asked Speedy G about the cost of her tow. They tell us the dispatcher mistakenly entered her information and she was charged at a higher rate than she should have been. The company has since refunded her $100.
We asked Speedy G for an interview to talk about the complaints issued against them with the ICC, but they didn't respond to that request. If you're in need of a tow, the ICC says to ask how much the tow will cost and where they'll take your vehicle. If your car is disabled or damaged and a tow truck suddenly arrives on the scene, don't let them take your car without verifying if they were called by the police or your insurance company. And do not give a tow truck driver your insurance information. To view all complaints against Illinois towing companies, visit NBCChicago.com/consumer. PJ Randhawa, NBC5 Responds.